Hello, hello, hello. How is everyone today? How are you doing on this lovely Sunday evening? I've actually just got back from singing with my choir, which was rather amazing. But the reason I have hopped on this evening is I want to talk to you all about joining our Smelly business. I'm sure you've heard Sapphire and I say how much we absolutely flipping love running this business. And this month there is a super join offer on. So I just wanted to share with you what you would get. So the join offer for this month is for £30. You could join Smelly and become a consultant for just £30 plus postage. What do you get? I hear you cry. What do you get for £30? Well, you get a gorgeous mini warmer. I absolutely love this mini warmer. This is called Why Are You Blushing? It is super duper. And to buy this out the catalogue, it would cost you £30. This isn't all you get if you join us this month. So this gorgeous mini warmer, there we go. So that's Why Are You Blushing? You then get, need somewhere to put it. You then get a bar of wax. Now, I absolutely flipping love this fragrance. This is Black Raspberry Vanilla. Totally floats my boat because it's really, really fruity and has got that lovely vanilla undertones going on there. It's a huge favourite. This is one of our top sellers. So you get a bar of Black Raspberry Vanilla. So you're already way over the £30 you'd have spent on just the warmer. Okay, so you get that. You get 5 catalogues to share with your family and friends. So you get some catalogues. And in here, of course, you've got details of all the products we do. There's everything there, all the different products, big warmers, little warmers, wax, some of our licensed products, everything in there. So you get a catalogue. Well, you get five catalogues. You get some samples of some of our body range, some of our laundry range. So you'll get some packets of samples of all those things. And you get 25 little testers that again you can share with family and friends. So these are our little tester pots, and you literally share them around with family and friends, let them have a sniff and find out which fragrances they like the most. So that's what you get for your £30, as well as becoming a Smelly consultant. You get 3 months free website, okay, which is flipping awesome. Hi Emma, how are you? So you get 3 months free website, and of course you get to be part of Team Essences. We absolutely flipping love what we do. I can't tell you how much we adore it. We get to talk with our team. We get to share ideas. We get to motivate each other. We all work together. And as well as having our own little team group where we all share ideas and help each other and support each other, we also have a wider team as well who are all there to offer advice, to offer training, and we get free training as well on our website. So there is all that as well, and you get myself and Sapphire as your sponsors, looking after you, helping you start your Smelly business. So if you'd like to know more, I will put a link in the comments, but just to remind you again, you get this gorgeous warmer, you get a bar Black Raspberry and Vanilla, you get 5 catalogues, you get these sample packets, and you get our little sniff pots. And you could start your own Smelly business, be a Smelly consultant for just £30. It is incredible. If you would like any more information, literally just message me. I would love to chat to you. So take care, my loves. I will speak to you all very, very soon. Mwah, 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 mwah. Loads of love. Bye.